make the best tasting homemade siomai. This delightful dish will impress your family and friends, and it is surprisingly easy to make. At para mas mapabilis ang pag-prepare natin ng mga ingredients ay gagamit tayo ng 3-in-1 kitchen tool from My Mate na may kasamang blender, chopper, and grinder, which will significantly cut down our prep time. First, grind natin yung ating pork. This ensures our siomai filling is smooth and well mixed. Then we'll prepare our vegetables. We'll use 1 carrot and then our onion and garlic. This will add flavor and texture to our siomai. For the shrimp, we'll be adding them without grinding to give our siomai a delightful bite. Then, combine na natin yung ating mga ingredients and season it with salt and pepper. Add tayo ng cornstarch, green onions, and egg. Mix lang natin yan until all the ingredients are well incorporated. And di ko na makalimutan, bali nag-add din pala tayo ng liquid seasoning and oyster sauce. And now comes the fun part, wrapping our siomai. Add a good amount of filling and wrap it up in your preferred style, but for me, I find that folding the edges towards the center works best. And with this recipe, I was able to make a total of 55 pieces. Now it is time to steam them for about 30 minutes at syempre hindi kumpleto kung walang chili garlic. Talaga namang super easy na lang mag-chop-chop ng mga yan, kaya kung trip mo rin to, andyan lang yan sa yellow basket. Then mag-grind tayo ng ating aromatics, optional lang naman yan, but if you want an added aroma, might as well give it a try. We'll use 1 cup of oil, then our garlic, then red chili, then our ground aromatics. Add a bit of oyster sauce for umami and some sugar to balance the heat. And while waiting na maluto ang ating siomai, let's also make a refreshing drink. Blend tayo ng cucumber slices, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a bit of sugar. Easy peasy, meron ka ng masarap na smoothie. And finally, our siomai is ready. Serve them hot with the chili garlic sauce. This siomai are perfect as a merienda, pang-ulam, or pwede rin pang negosyo. Try this recipe now and let us know what dish you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more recipes.